let's talk about the interiors a little bit, because Pilsen's
Yeah.
known for having, these smaller bedrooms, unique designs. Talk to us as if we've never been into a, 3-unit inside in Pilsen.
Well, you guys are very insightful. Thanks for leading a great question. The reality is you're absolutely correct. The Victorian bedrooms are usually 7 by 8, 7 by 9, which are glorified closets by today's standards. But because at that time when they were building these buildings, they basically had a change of clothes and a cot for personal possessions. And that's why you have to basically, when you have a small 2-bedroom like that, you basically take out the demising wall, and then you have like a bowling alley bedroom, I call them. They're like 15 feet long by 7.5 feet wide. And you haven't taken down anything structurally. You just took down a partition wall, basically. They usually have a window in them because people didn't have electricity. These buildings predate electricity and indoor plumbing. So they had all these windows everywhere, so you could just bomb ambient light through. And they had gas lighting, but of course, gas was going to be expensive for them.